too much people energy. And also save a lot of money because it uses the pressure of water and oil. So if there is
See that they use the machine, right?
Yeah.
They use machine, but for your project you use water and oil.
Yeah. Water and oil.
But for water and oil, we need people to control it.
Yeah.
How many people, as example for this project, how many people to control?
Only one.
Only one?
Yeah.
Uh,
Like also, you only need one people in like the actual.
do you have any plan to develop this kind of tool so you can put the brand made in Cambodia?
I hope so one day.
Hello everyone. Are you looking for a fun and educational engineering project? In this video, I will show you an educational engineering project about a simple hydraulic machine using syringes, pipes, and cardboard. This science experience is perfect for students, hobbyists, or anyone interested in hydraulic systems and how they work. What are the practical applications of hydraulics in real life? After watching this video, you will learn the principles of fluid machine and how hydraulic power is used in real-world machines like cranes and excavator. Let's meet with the student and learn about the project. Okay. Can I know your name and grade that you are studying?
My name is Lysrun.
Lapaj Ly Heng,
She's Sun Selamani.
Sun Selamani. What grade are you studying?
I'm in grade 9A.
Grade 9A.
We have 3 other members, but like they're like stuff right now. The other one is Viralvideo,
Yeah.
Sam Chun Lee, and Tay Brock Sareba.
Okay, so 5 people.
Yeah, I think in this.
Can you tell me about your project? Can I know anything about your project?
So our project is about hydraulic machines. So we have 2 prototypes right here. So this one is called the hydraulic claw, and this one is the hydraulic crane. So the claw, which is used to pick up stuff around, like to pick up like short distance stuff, like heavy stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one is usually they put it on wheels so that when you grab it, you can push it around. And like for the crane, we use it to lift up heavy things, such as like tiles, bricks, cement, up to like high skyscrapers that are under construction, so that you can save energy from like people, you know?
this benefit us a lot in the society because it helps with construction and we don't need to use too much people energy. And also save a lot of money because it uses the pressure of water and oil. So if there is any like malfunctioning, you can always just like replace the water or oil easily. And it also lasts long because with the water and oil, it has precise control and efficiency. So things won't drip or tear easily, making it last for a long time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I noticed that this project is used in construction.
Yeah.
Okay, it's used but I see that they use the machine, right?
Yeah.
You use machine, but for your project you use water and oil.
Yeah. Water and oil.
But for water and oil, we need people to control it.
Yeah.
How many people, as example for this project, how many people to control?
Only one.
Only one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like also, you only need 1 people in like the actual hydraulic machine, like the big one. You also only need 1 people because like it's not entirely just water. They have a little electronic that like uses the motor to push the water because like the big one you cannot like push it by yourself.
Yeah.
You need a little bit of like that motor to help push it because like it's a lot of water and it's very heavy. So it's just a lot electronic to like push it in to lift it up. Yeah. And in our model, we use water, but in the real crane, they use oil.
Why?
Because it's like
Oil has more mass and it's more like it's slippery, so it's more efficient and it has more precision.
Yeah.
It works better than water, right?
Yes, yeah.
Better than water.
So once again, this is we call
The crane.
crane. Crane.
This is the claw hydraulic.
Claw. This is for
Lifting it up
lifting
high.
high.
This one is for lifting
Grabbing.
and like, grabbing.
Okay.
Grabbing stuff.
Yeah.
So how long does it take you to create this project?
1 to 2 weeks.
Yeah.
1 to 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
We originally have 3 prototypes, but the other one broke, so it took us only like 1.5 week to like build 2 of these because like we need to because they're like Chinese New Year. You know, we took a like 3-day break, so it took a little long.
And how much is it? Did you spend?
Around $20.
$20. But if there is sponsor, need to sponsor to you and you create the real one,
Yeah.
how much will it take? Example.
It would the real one, like the big one.
Yeah.
Ooh, it would be really expensive because the material around like I would like to say $10,000.
$10,000?
Or even more, because I don't
Yeah.
know.
Just about.
Yeah, just about, or even more, because like it's really big and the material, it's a lot, like really a lot.
Okay.
Like electronics too. Yeah.
If we compare the hydronic
Crane.
and the machine one,
Yeah.
which one is more expensive?
The machine.
Machine is more expensive.
Yeah. Because like the machine you have to use coding, you need to use electronics, a lot of electronics. And for the hydraulic, you only need like a motor that can pump the liquid to lift it up, and the rest is like regular like metal and stuff just to hold it all together. Yeah.
One thing that is interesting to me, when we use the machine,
Yeah.
we need to spend extra money for example, we use gasoline, what we are using, right?
Yeah.
But for this project, we just pay the money to buy this tool,
Yeah, this tool.
and after that we don't need to pay anything more.
Yeah.
Right?
We just need someone to operate
Yeah,
it.
we just need someone to operate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
So is this project in use in the present or
Yeah,
not
it
yet?
is. It is.
It is used.
Yeah. It's currently used in construction and like moving companies, you know, like those cars that have like the crane in the back to lift up everything to put in the back. Yeah, those are hydraulic machines. They use them to lift heavy stuff.
There's also the same type hydraulic lift, like when you go to a car,
No, like the hydraulic lift is like an alternative version to like an unfinished elevator.
Yeah.
Like for example, right here, if we wanted to go up there, we could use the hydraulic lift to just push ourselves up without needing like to use an elevator or stairs. To just basically just get up in there instantly, and it just lifts us up like this. It goes up like this, and it can retract back down.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So I think this tool are being in use, but because I did not recognize it, that's why I don't know. I just noticed that people use the machine one.
Yeah, like it's just prototype made out of cardboard.
Okay.
Like the real thing is made out like metal.
Do you have any plan to develop this kind of tool so you can put the brand made in Cambodia?
I hope so one day.
Okay.
Like this is just like an experiment right now, but I hope this could become like a real product.
It should be noticed that this project was carried out by a group of Cambodian students from Panyasastra International School, Brand Sansok Want. The project was displayed during the school fair and teachers' parent conference held at the school campus on February the 8th, 2025.
Like in the school.
Okay, great project. I think this is very good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Yes, goodbye.
Thank you, sir.